My name is Ezuchukwu, the CEO of Strategic Time Farm. You can reach me on 080 33 19 3602. With that number, you will reach me. As you can see, this is our substrate that we are going to use to feed our BSF larvas. Okay, so this is one of the best feed you can give to your BSF larvas. All right, so what we are doing now is to spread these substrates on the floor, that is on our bio floor. Once we do that, we will now add our BSF larvas. And why we are doing this is to make sure that this BSF feed very well. That is BSF larvas. They feed very well because if you don't feed them, there's every possibility they may not grow evenly. So while we are pouring this on the biopond is to make sure that all our BSF larvas are well fed. Okay, you see, our biopond is large. Yes, so that is why it's always encouraging to have a bigger biopond, so that once they start generating heat, the heat will not kill them. Because I've seen some people having smaller bioponds. Yes, you can build that, but that will take lots of time. And once they start generating heat, we find that you may have large population of BSF larvae that are dead. They will melt, yes, because they generate lots of heat. Now, as you can see, we have filled this place, all right, to here. So what I will do next is to pour the larvas that we have hatched. All right, this substrate is the best. So if you are interested to learn what we use, the truth is that it's very cheap. Yes, because we are using treated chicken poo. Let me show you my broilers. That is why it is affordable. So if you're interested to learn how we do this, you can call me on 080 33 19 3602. With that number, you reach me. Let me show you our broilers. By tomorrow, they are going to be 4 weeks, and they are doing very, very well. Yes, we are using the BSF larvas, Wolfia ariza, Azola, and Ignacia crypsis to feed them, and process feed because of metabolizable energy that they need. All right, so let me show you how they are looking. All right, because we do what we preach. We don't just do only BSF and tell you that you can use it. No, we do BSF farming, and also we use SEM to feed our livestock. That means we know what we are doing. We preach it and we do it. Let me show you my birds. As you can see, these are my birds. By tomorrow, they will be 4 weeks, and they're doing wonderfully well, and they're well fed. So this is some of them. Now we are going to use these BSF that we have hatched. If you look very well, they're still tiny. Okay, so we are going to pour them on that substrate that we have poured on our biopond. Let's go there. Now this is the substrate. So what we are going to do is to pour these larvas. Okay, here. Remember, what we are using on the substrate is a treated chicken poo. So if you actually want to learn how we do that, that's a great opportunity for you to acquire the knowledge. Okay, and I'm assuring you that you save lots of cost the way I'm doing here. Okay, and these are treated chicken poo, and some of the feed that I use, okay, is going to increase your production. Yes, just the way I'm doing here, because some places you find it difficult to have some of your BSF substrate. That's what we are going to use to feed them. It's very difficult, but if you have bed already, that is a plus. Yes, if you have birds already, you are going to use their poos, okay, to feed your BSF larvas. But before you do that, you've got to treat them the way I do here. So if you're interested to learn it, that is a very good pros. So as you can see, they are actually boring inside the substrate. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can reach me on 080 33 19 3602. With that number, you reach me. We also have a training package where we train you. After training you, then we send you this BSF Star Kit. They mentor you for 1 month. That mentorship is something that every person that is interested to learn how to farm BSF should be happy, because we are going to follow you. All those online training that you have imparted in you, we are going to put it into practice. This is to enable you to make sure that what we train you are practicable. All right, so if you're interested, call me on 080 33 19 3602. Thank you.